Oh my god. Swamp water.
Kind of looks like anal beads.
She would know.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my vehicle. Today I am meeting up with the queen, the cooking queen herself, Miss Remy Ashton, and also Ollie. And so every time I do a cooking video, I feel like I need to bring Remy with me because she has such like a refined palate to kind of balance out like my 6-year-old palate. I'm actually not quite sure what kind of palate Ollie has, so we'll find out today, I guess. So this past week or so, I have been scouring TikTok to find the most viral and trendy TikTok discovered foodie places. I actually found that so many of the viral places are actually not in like central LA, and they were all kind of like a mission to get to. So I found one in Santa Monica, which is our first stop, and then another one in Koreatown that I am so excited for. So we've got lots of snacks, meals, drinks, desserts to try today. I tried to have a small breakfast to prep myself because between the three of us, we're gonna really try to tackle across the menu as many things as we can physically eat. You already know we got the Lactaid. I know Remy is also lactose intolerant, so I actually brought 12 to keep us ready, just keep us prepped. Remy and Ollie are waiting for me inside. Our first stop is La La Land Kind Cafe, and so we're at the location in Santa Monica, but I think they have a bunch in Dallas. So this website is absolutely immaculate. Oh my god, it's so cute. I feel like when the TLC goes into the website, like you already know the physical location is gonna be cute as f. So here's the viral TikTok that led me to this cafe. I actually don't drink any caffeine, but I'm a sucker for any kind of like aesthetic cafe, and I've already got a few things picked out on the menu that I know are caffeine free, or just like a little bit of caffeine that's like not gonna make me go like cuckoo. I also saw on their Instagram that they have really cute merch, which I feel like is not a thing at most cafes and restaurants, so there's a high chance that we walk away with like food and drinks, and then also potentially clothing.
Very laurDIY. Beach? Kind.
Oh, beach. Oh, I can't not get that. Oh my god. Be the person your dog thinks you are. Miss Cooking with Remy herself. So we've got the queen avocado toast with a what?
The queen.
The queen.
The queen.
The queen. Bitch, is you.
That's
She has dairy-free cream cheese, avocado, always got an add an egg.
Drink haul please. Drink haul please.
I got the French toast matcha latte, which I don't know if cinnamon and matcha would be good. I know people do it. Interesting. Oh. It smells like Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Like
really?
Identical.
Even
Yeah.
with matcha?
Wait, give it a smell.
That does smell really good.
Exactly like French. Do I taste test on camera?
Yeah.
Give it a review.
Do it. Good?
Delicious.
Okay, wait, but I feel like sometimes 20 seconds later you hate it.
I'm a matcha girly though. It's really good.
Okay, out of 10? Out of 10, please?
A 10. I'm gonna start adding cinnamon to my matcha every day.
Avocado toast is so hard to eat gracefully.
It's hard to do it well. Also.
Yeah,
I feel like
I
you
totally
can do it sexy.
Ollie's here for comedic relief.
Just happy to be here.
Uh-oh, not a fan?
Oh.
Not a fan.
The bread is actually very good.
Sourdough?
It's got like that nice sour actual flavor.
This is what happens when you bring an actual like foodie here.
Yeah.
I'm like, bread.
I don't like when they mixed lemon with avocado though. Like I'm not a fan of that.
I smelled that.
It's pretty
smelled
lemony.
it. Okay, okay.
But like otherwise,
This is just a Remy
decent.
food review.
I'm gonna be honest, I thought that was the video.
Oh my god, this matcha latte situation, this is the one that's supposed to taste like Fruity Pebbles. Wow. Wow. We're literally infants. We're like, oh my god, color.
Oh my god. Swamp water.
I went for the s'mores latte.
They put a heart on it.
It kind of looks like a butt, gonna be honest.
It looks like a chicken.
Oh yeah, you're kind of right. Or like a horse. But you know what? It's the thought that counts. Also, everyone here is freakishly nice. Like, it's insane. Really made my day. Ollie, do us the honors.
I'll be drinking my swamp water here.
Fruity Pebbles?
I don't taste the Fruity Pebbles.
Can I try it?
Yeah, it just tastes like matcha. It's really good though.
Not good.
The milk after you eat Fruity Pebbles cereal is what that tastes like.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
I sense it. That's sexy.
Oh.
I like
I hate Fruity Pebbles.
I'm a child.
Me
so
too,
I'll
me too.
enjoy
Yeah.
it.
This is pretty tasty.
This is good.
That's tasty, right?
Yeah, it tastes like Starbucks.
Ooh.
Is it
Pretty
giving?
tasty, right?
That's so good.
Mmm.
Oh, this is fire.
Yeah.
This is really good.
Really good.
The bread isn't too hard.
But acting like I know anything about food, I'm like, the bread is the perfect viscosity and crunchiness.
You know, the yeast is really lifted.
Good sourdough though. It's kind of hard to do good sourdough.
Yeah.
It's like the perfect thickness too.
X Games.
I'm doing a TikTok dance. I'm going to this last Christmas.
Oh, she's
I
prepping.
gave you my heart, but the very next
I can feel
day,
Vlogmas coming.
I know, do you feel the vlog?
this year.
There's a sneak peek. Get excited for vlog.
monster's got me going.
2021. It's so cute. Be kind.
It's giving Paris
She was
Hilton.
$40. She was very expensive.
Whoa.
Yeah, no, but it was so cute. And like, you know, when you get at the register and you're like, oh, like I don't want to look like I'm a cheap bitch. I'm like, yeah, kitty too.
A single tear rolls down. You're like, oh,
As you
fuck.
swipe your card.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to our next stop, Dragon Boba. I'm excited. I feel like I've had time to like digest as well too, and I didn't go crazy here.
I just realized we're getting boba.
Oh my god,
That's
yeah.
There's boba in the name. There's always room for boba.
There's always room for boba. OMG, BTS meet and greet with a side of donuts and mochi. Oh my god, I think this place might be BTS's #1 fan. Oh my god, there's so much. Okay, we're outside and it's a little,
We're outside.
We're in the wild. It's a little loud because we're in Koreatown. And
안녕하세요.
Annyeong.
what did you say? What did you say?
Hi, how are you?
Oh, wow! An ethnic queen! Okay, we've got boba, we've got mochi donuts, we've got macarons, we've got mochi ice cream.
Whoa.
Wow. I've never had a Yakult boba before.
So it's got milk?
It's like a, you know those like little baby
Like
plastic
yogurt?
yogurt drinks? Yeah. So you just close your eyes and you try to like...
try it.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
I'll try.
Oh, wow.
I feel like I should hold it just in case.
Okay, thanks.
Oh,
Did I do it?
wait. Why did we
Oh.
all absolutely kill it?
Brown sugar milk tea.
Guava lemon fruit tea.
Whoa.
Wow.
This is good.
Look at this quality bottom here, this quality base.
You're
Quality
looking at a
bottom.
quality bottom right here, baby.
Wow. Cake batter, mochi ice cream. Oh, I like this shape.
It looks like my toilet bowl. Wow.
Oh my god.
That's some
The
chewy
texture
mochi.
is perfect.
Yeah.
Mochi texture's so weird.
Really? I love it.
I love that.
Normally, mochi ice cream are so dense and hard. They kept it at the perfect temperature, so it's like chewy. This is the best mochi ice cream I've ever had in my life.
I agree.
I mean that wholeheartedly.
This is my first mochi ice cream I've ever had in my life.
You're Japanese!
And the best.
Did you like it?
Yeah, I didn't expect the texture at first. Like, I know that mochi is like a weird, like, gummy. At first I was like, oh my god, what is this? But now I'm like, okay, I can eat that.
Me with vegetables.
I'm on my second mochi ice cream.
Look at this thing, y'all.
I love crepe cake.
It's good. Like, it tastes good, but it's not like anything crazy, you know?
Not my favorite crepe cake.
I don't like it.
All I hate it.
It's not bad.
But it's gorgeous looking.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's
it is
pretty.
pretty.
It tastes like,
Like wet bread.
what?
I'm gonna have a tummy ache.
Yeah, I know.
That's sexy.
That's what all the TikToks look like. It's this and then some kind of macaron on top as well, too.
That's innovation. Truly. Is it good?
Food fire. Mochi nut, popular place in LA, is like airier and lighter.
I like dense and chewy things, actually. Kind of looks like anal beads.
She would know.
I prefer this to mochi nut. I like when they're dense and heavy.
One has a better bite.
I like this more.
It's so cute.
It looks like you.
It looks like a little baby.
It looks like a solid macaron.
It's all macaron. I'm such a bad YouTuber. I didn't take a single shot of B-roll. I was like, oh, the koalas, like they're done. I
Wait,
can
no,
show you
do
what
a
they look
B-roll
like.
of the happy food.
This ended up just being like a friend hangout mukbang.
Oh, literally. What was your favorite thing of the day?
My favorite thing of the day was the mochi donut. My least favorite thing of the day was the crepe cake.
Okay. My favorite thing of the day was the mochi ice cream, and my least favorite was the crepe.
My favorite thing was being invited.
Sugar Daddy laurDIY today with a
literally.
credit card.
We got whatever we wanted, baby.
I like the mochi ice cream. It was so good.
That was really good.
And I'm sorry, the crepe cake.
Yeah, crepe cake's gotta go. But she was the most aesthetic.
She was, yeah.
She was the most
She
aesthetic.
made the thumbnail.
She did make the
She gave, but she also gave nothing.
Okay, well, that's it for this mukbang. Mukbang?
What is this
Mukbang.
video gonna be?
I don't know.
Title, something
I just
went
wanted
wrong
to eat with my friends, and this is what came out of it. And today was a $160 day,
Oh.
including the hat. The hat was $40. The hat was so
Okay.
expensive.
Oh my god, the hat
Sugar
was
Daddy
expensive.
laurDIY.
Okay, well, that's it.
Bye.
Make sure you buy her merch.
Yes.
Yeah, because
Yeah. If you want more, fund us, please.